Hello, welcome to another video where today I wanted to talk about the Cultivating Wild Edibles series once again. Specifically, at this point in time, these are all the seeds I'm going to get. And I thought I might wait till spring to actually start to work on some of these, but upon further research, I don't think that's a good idea. So yeah, 3 batches of seeds. Not the greatest, would have liked more, but a lot of the candidates didn't fare well last year. The first one I was able to collect, and the only one I actually remembered to label before losing my Sharpie and not bothering to find another one, was the golden black raspberries. Now I count about 23 here, which isn't fantastic, but considering the condition they're in, it should be more than enough. Next one I was able to grab was the American red raspberry, and I only count about 14 here, so I probably could have liked to have gotten a little more, but the plant I was getting these from didn't produce a lot of fruits, so this was all I was able to get, unfortunately. And last and clearly not least are these potato bean seeds, which I've been able to collect quite a few. I do also have some potatoes to act as a control group of a cultivated plant and how it should act, yields and such. And as you can see, I don't currently have seeds or tubers because these were very eager potatoes. I opened up the drawer I was keeping them in, and one of them had a sprout that was at least 5 inches long, so I decided to plant them now, and they seem to be doing rather well. At the very least, I hope these plants make more seed potatoes to use for future runs. Now I'm going to explore many different methods of trying to germinate these seeds. One of which is just trying to plant them indoors right now, like those potatoes. The second method is as soon as the ground's not frozen, I'm going to find a spot of land to put them in and try to see if they'll grow that way. And the third group of seeds from each batch is going to be cold stratified manually, with probably a refrigerator or freezer. I still have to look into that process, but it's a little late in the year to try and do it naturally at this point. Because these plants are native to this area, which has notably unforgiving snowfall in winters that will kill young plants if they germinate too early, they have special adaptations that prevent them from doing so. To make a long story short, the seeds will germinate better if they've been frozen beforehand. This is referred to as cold stratification. Chances are some of them are going to germinate. I've never actually really had problems germinating seeds in this environment. But say they don't germinate this year, they'll probably show up next year. Anyway, that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what's on hand, and with any luck, next video in this series will be showing you guys the little sprouts of the plants. I do hope you've learned something, and as always, I wish you the best. Till next time.